Concrete quality isn't luck. It's craftsmanship. Strength, durability, beauty. They come from premium materials, precise mix design, and expert curing. But when builders cut corners, concrete fails. Cracks, weak spots, and costly repairs follow. Too many contractors chase the lowest bid instead of the highest standard. That's why the old "get 3 estimates" rule doesn't work anymore. Choose reputation over price. Choose proven quality. At A&A Masonry, we build concrete that lasts and is solid, stunning, and made to stand the test of time.
A&A Masonry, an award-winning company servicing the Greater Toronto Area and the Golden Horseshoe.
At A&A Masonry, we work with the best crews in the industry, professionals chosen through years of experience and proven performance. We've seen what happens when concrete is done wrong: cracks, surface defects, even total failure that demands costly reconstruction. That's why we do it right every time. Here's what sets A&A Masonry apart. It starts with preparation. We clear and excavate the site to the proper depth, ensuring the right slope for drainage. Then we compact the soil and add a precise layer of aggregate, creating a solid, well-drained foundation built to last. Next comes formwork. This step demands skill and precision. Our crews are experts in carpentry, crafting forms that are strong, stable, and seamless. The result: concrete that cures perfectly and holds its shape beautifully for decades. Then comes the mix. Not all concrete is the same. We order the exact blend for your project. Never leftovers or discount batches that compromise strength. Timing, mix design, and temperature all matter, and we get them right. Placement, compaction, and finishing follow the defining moments of every job. Our crews remove every air pocket, achieve the perfect slump, and finish every surface with care and artistry. Every stage, from base to finish, is handled with precision and pride. That's why A&A Masonry concrete not only looks exceptional, it stands the test of time. So, if your driveway, porch, or steps are showing wear, trust the professionals at A&A Masonry. We'll deliver the quality, durability, and curb appeal your home deserves. Built strong, built beautiful, built to last.
To schedule your next project, contact A&A Masonry today.